Okay, so today we're going to be how to make one of these bearings quieten up. It's pretty loud. You kind of hear it. So to fix this, I mean, you could just buy a new one, but if you don't have the money or you just feel like doing something different, you can peel the seal off here. Expose the bearing. I already cleaned it, got all the debris out of it. You can use compressed air or maybe some degreaser or brake clean can work. So take it off, and now there's the bearing. So what I'm going to do is apply grease to it and press it inside so it smooths out. I've already done it on plain bearings. That's usually what happens, unless it's gone too far, which it could happen, because that's what happens. They get dried out. Old grease gets rock hard and cause the bearings to heat up and make them fail. This is high heat grease. This is synthetic grease I'm using. You can get it at any parts house. And I do both sides. You don't have to go crazy. Just apply some on there. Use your finger, press it in. Pretty straightforward. Then you can the seals just press back in. It's just it's a cover. Just press it in like that. And the same thing on the other side. This is a good way to save some money and also just to, repair something yourself instead of just buying a new part. Just clean it up like that. Now we just work it. Now there's no noise. It's a lot more tension. You just want to spin it, make sure you don't hear any scraping or anything like that. See if it's. But once again, you can always buy a new one. But this is kind of fun to do, something different. Just repair it yourself. I've already done it to plenty of bearings. It's just a ball bearing, so it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully you liked the video. If you have any comments, just comment below. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.